Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of Broski. Today in this video I just want to show how to get Spotify premium membership for free. So this is a video for new users. Just want to join Spotify. What you're going to do, open the browser and check out for the official website of Spotify, and you will get this offer, which is 3 months for free for your first subscription. Now what you're going to do on this setup, you're going to click on get premium. Now you're going to click on sign up and enter your email address. Then you're going to create your password, and after that you're going to click on next. Time to write your name, date of birth, and you will go on next step. Now time to fill this 2 box and click on sign up. After you get this page, you're gonna pay 0 for your first subscription, which is about 3 months. You can see the next subscription will be after 3 months. So you're gonna fill the box which is over here with your card, bank card information. Then you're gonna complete the purchasing. You're all set. So we got our Spotify. We're gonna open the Spotify by click over here, and our accounts ready. Subscribe to individual for 3 months, and I can get the app from here, or you can download it from the App Store of your iPhone device. So just click over here to download it. Open it. Go click on Allo, next, and choose any album you want here. You can search for it. I just choose directly what I got here. So great picks. And here you can see our Spotify account and applications ready to use. This is all how to get the Spotify premium membership for free. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video to your friends if you like the video. Don't forget to hit the like button. See you until next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends.